This table will help you in understanding the difference between the three types of fit. The functional need of your assembly will define which type of fit will work best. Assemblies can be either dynamic or static. Dynamic assembly involves free movement, as the tolerance zone do not intersect. Clearance fit is ideal for this. Static assemblies can be of two types. They can either be held in place but easy to disassemble, or they may resist forces and allow no movement. Transition fit is ideal for the easy to disassemble static assemblies, as the tolerance zones partially intersect. But for the assemblies that allow no movement, interference fit should be used, as the tolerance zones fully intersect. The system in which the different clearances and interferences are obtained by associating various shafts with a single hole whose lower limit or lower deviation is zero is known as hole basis system. The system in which the different clearances and interferences are obtained by associating various holes with a single shaft whose upper deviation is zero is known as shaft basis system. We follow an Indian standard IS 919-1963 for the system of limits and fits. The system comprises suitable combination of 18 grades of tolerances and 25 types of fundamental deviations, indicated by letter symbols for both holes and shafts. Capital letters A to Z, C for holes, and small letter a to Z, C for shafts. Various fits ranging from extreme interference to those of extreme clearance may be obtained by a suitable combination of grade of tolerances and fundamental deviations. Click the image to zoom it. Grades of tolerance are used as an indication of the level of accuracy. There are 18 grades of tolerances: IT01, IT0, IT1 to IT16. IT01 to IT4 are used for production of gauges, plug gauges, measuring instruments. IT5 to IT7 are used for fits in precision engineering applications. IT8 to IT11 are used for general engineering. IT12 to IT14 are used for sheet metal working or press working. IT15 to IT16 are used for processes like casting, general cutting work. Various grades of tolerances are defined using the standard tolerance unit. Click the images to zoom in. We have now come to the end of this course. Here is a recap of the key points of this course. In this course, you have learned that certain surfaces in contact when mating parts are assembled are called mating dimensions, and the surfaces which are not in contact are called free dimensions. Limits are the two extreme permissible sizes of a given dimension. Limits are determined according to base size and fit required. The algebraic difference between high limit and low limit is called tolerance. It is the amount of inaccuracy tolerable for a given dimension. Tolerance are of two types, unilateral and bilateral. Alloyance is the intentional difference between hole diameter and shaft diameter to achieve a desired type of fit. When the hole diameter is bigger than shaft diameter, it is called positive alloyance or clearance.
Ma? Chal chiki fan on chal chiki.